Alright, TikTok, let's see what you got for me today.
Feta cheese can be really strong, and I know I'm not the only one
No.
who thinks that. So we're gonna make our own.
No.
Let's get the viral baked feta pasta.
No.
Do your baking
No. No. Fine. You win. I'll make the feta pasta.
Alright, let's begin. We're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees, get our tomatoes, chili flakes, garlic, shallots, olive oil, lemon, feta, thyme or basil, salt, and low carb pasta because I'm doing this keto. Gonna add our tomatoes, garlic, shallots, a ridiculous amount of oil, thyme, red chili flakes, and salt to a baking dish and mixing it all together before putting the feta on top and drizzling some more olive oil. Redid this a few days later with the feta down in the tomatoes like in all the videos, and it didn't come out as good, so do it on top. I'm gonna place it into the oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes until the feta just starts to sort of brown around the edges. You'll see in a second. When it gets close to time to take out our sauce, we're gonna wanna boil the pasta. With this brand we're using, it took 7 to 8 minutes to get to the desired texture. Really should have mixed it all together at this point, but drained the pasta, added it with half a cup of the pasta water and the lemon zest if you're using that, and then I mixed it. Tried with a set of tongs and then switched to a spatula, and even with that screw up, it came out pretty good. It's cheap, it's easy and relatively quick, so if you've been on the fence, I'd say give it a try. And subscribe, like, leave a comment, and keep an eye out. I'm going to try and make new videos every week going forward. Thanks for watching.